What's going on, guys? Today is not as sunny as I would like it to be, but it's pretty warm. It's like 60 degrees, and what better day than to drive a new 2017 Camaro. But the fact is I don't have it quite yet. So the idea is, from yesterday, a few days ago, we made this video and we're gonna try and get that one to that same kind of effect to make the car appear here, and hopefully we'll be doing good. So without further ado, are you serious? Can you see what I made? Look at that. I think I imagined it a little small, so okay guys, we're gonna try this again. This time we're gonna make it appear here rather than trying to make it appear out of my hand, because I think it has something to do with scale. So we're gonna try this one more time and let's see what happens. So we got, oh dude, are you ready? Are you ready for this? Oh.